Hey, hello everyone. I got this box from the company Funtech Lab, and inside is a wind tunnel for Diecast Cars. Something I've been waiting for a very long time. Let's open up this box. Here we can see the name of the company, Funtech Lab. And yes, it's world's first die-cast wind tunnel ever made. I like the packaging, that is really cool. Aerodynamic lines. Okay, here we have the instruction manual, very important. And we can see it's very well packed in foam. Please read carefully before using. I think that's a very good advice. Okay, here we have a box with some plugs and some accessories. We can see that the wind tunnel is very well packed. Not sure what this is, but we will find out later. And here is the wind tunnel. Looks very cool. Okay, let's see what is in these boxes. Blankets, some fog fluid, extra filter, and this must be the muddler for the fog. Here we got some plugs. Yeah, that's definitely not a European plug. Ah, there it is. So you push that button, then you turn it to the left, and then click. The European plug is on and ready. Yeah, an extra filter and some cleaning sticks. And here we got the blankets, and I can use that because I have very sticky fingers. Yes, nice and shiny. Okay, let's check the manual. Quick start, I like that. Put in the fog fluid and install the modular fog nozzle. Don't put too much fluid inside, or else you can get trouble with the modeler making fog. So it's best to fill it to 70%. Yeah, that's enough. You can close it. Okay, this is the fog nozzle. And you can take this off, and now we can place the modeler inside. Yeah, it works with a magnet. I like that. Place it inside, and then you push with your finger. Click. Okay, connect the power and turn on the switch. Don't worry, you've got enough cable. Let's put it inside and turn on the switch. Click. Ah, yes, it's working. No fog yet. We do have light and a little bit of sound. Put your favorite model car into the wind tunnel. That's the most difficult part for me. What is my favorite model? Okay, let's see what is possible in the menu. Hold in the button and you will arrive in the menu. Here we can turn on or off the light. Tail light. Is there a tail light? Yes, this is really cool. You got a red tail light. There it goes. Emission speeds. Here you can decide how many fog you want. Oh. Close the box. I think 50% is more than enough. Fog fluid remaining. Plenty of time. And this is the airflow speed. And as you can hear, it can go really fast. Yeah, this is stormy weather. Okay, here you can decide if you want miles per hour or kilometer per hour. Okay, let's open this up, and we start with this Lamborghini from Hot Wheels. There is a stripe, so you can see what's the center. You can put the car in the middle. Okay, let's start with 67 miles an hour. Oh, this is looking cool. That is awesome. Back in the days as a child, when I watched videos of wind tunnels, I was always like, but how would that car do in a wind tunnel, or maybe a helicopter, or maybe a jet fighter? And now it is all possible. Whoa, that goes really fast. Yeah, this is perfect. This is perfect. And now cleaning. Okay, let's pick another car. Whoa, sticky finger. Let's clean it a little bit. There we go. Ooh, this is interesting. Look at the downforce. I like that. Whoa, the fog is going all the way to the front wheel. Let's make a little bit more speed and see what is happening. Holy smoke, this is really interesting. To be honest, this is even better than I thought. I already was looking forward to this product. But now that I have it, yes, and this is one of those cars that I really want to know how it's reacting in a wind tunnel. And now I finally can find out how it is in a wind tunnel. A Hummer H1. Basically a Garrett's box on wheels. Not aerodynamic at all. Oh, this is cool. Love it. You can see the fog bouncing on the front window. Amazing. Amazing. I love it. And yeah, I can go on forever with this, of course. But if you have a car in your head and you think, I want to see it in the wind tunnel, let me know in the comments. And I'm definitely going to make more videos with this wind tunnel. And maybe your car, I will pick your car to put in the wind tunnel. Thank you very much for watching. I will leave a link to the website where you can buy this wind tunnel in the description of the video. Have a very nice day and don't forget to smash the like button.